Hello there. Today we're going to have a look at how we can retain the hover effect on the people layout in PnP Modern Search when we're doing a customization. So the first thing is that we want to see what the baseline looks like. So we'll just add something to do with the sales department and go to local people results. Salespeople show up. So we'll have the people layout. And we want to enable the hover effect, and we want to use the large component size. So let's just check. Works fine. Okay. So we want to create a custom one over here. Do the same basic setup. Department. People results. And people layout, and we enable the hover effect. And we want this to be extra large. So right now, if we change to the custom template, we see that all of our layout is gone basically. So that's not such a bright idea. So if we go back to our people layout and check, well, the moment that we changed to the custom template, the hover effect was gone. So we'll just go back, enable that one, put it into the large option. And what we'll do now is that we'll actually go in here and have a look at the template. So that looks all right. So let's just to make sure that we're using this one, we'll put a test in here just to see it. Yeah, it works, and we still have the hover effect, even though now it's moved into the custom section to custom layout because I modified the out of the box template for the layout for people. So what we have now actually works. So I'll just grab this one and copy it into a file. In this case, I'm using Visual Studio Code. I'll just take all the content, put it into this file, save it as, in this case, I call it test people. What I do here is that I save on my local disk, which is synchronized to a site on the same tenant. So if I go into the library where I keep all of my templates, you can see that this one has just been updated. So I'll grab this one, or rather I'll grab a link to this one. And the way I do it is I go into version history and grab it from here because that will give me a proper link, old-fashioned link. And I can use that in the PnP template. So let's go back to here and update the external template URL with the link to my people test people HTML layout. Okay, that's now enabled, and we still have our hover effect, but we also have this test thing up here. We want to get rid of that. Well, the easiest way is just to go back here, scroll up to where we put that test in here somewhere. Here somewhere, so let's have a look. There it is. Get rid of this one, save, go back to our site, refresh. It's gone. So now we can start modifying this template. By the way, the hover effect still works. If I save it, you can see that still works. So we're going to have the probability, the capability that we want. So now we can just go into our template here and modify it to the degree that we actually need. But we now still have the hover effect enabled on that custom template. I hope this was useful for you, and have a nice day.